Expo 2026. Today we have Mr. Prakash Krishnaswamy. He is the CEO and Director of Citadel. Let's have a quick conversation about their experience and what product they are showcasing at Drone Expo. Hello sir, glad to have you here.
Very delighted to be here.
Thanks sir. Without taking your much time, let's begin with the first question.
Yeah.
Okay. Could you please introduce yourself and tell our audience about your company?
So, I'm Prakash Krishnaswamy, CEO of Xitadel Group. We are a spin-off from Easy Engineering, which was established in the US in 1981. So, we've always been a technology-oriented company. And more recently, we have focused on AI-related technologies. So, these AI-related technologies are applied towards all autonomous systems. It could be autonomous vehicles, drones, autonomous robots, and so on. So the technologies go across a wide range of offerings.
Okay, so sir, you talked about AI. AI is a budding thing in this industry. So, is AI is your heroic product or solution you are showcasing at today?
No, it is one of the important ingredients in why some of these technologies are advanced and why they are used today. When AI wasn't there, the ability to sense was there. You could see what is going on thermally and actually see. But interpreting and taking decisions based on human-like perception was not there in the past.
Okay.
That's what AI brings to the table.
Okay. So, what product you are showcasing today? Like,
We are showcasing our products and solutions. One of the key ones is the products that we have from thermoanalytics. It's one of the most advanced products for image recognition and processing related to IR. It's infrared in the thermal range.
Okay.
So that's pretty advanced technologies now deployed in the Western armed forces, the defense forces. So we believe it's a very appropriate technology for the drone market, which is really hot today.
Yeah.
And I think all countries are looking at gaining an edge in this industry, and this provides that edge.
Perfect, sir. I find it very insightful and wonderful. In your views, what are your USB, which keeps you unique from others?
Well, the unique capability is in the breadth and depth of image of the IR management, which would be what you would call the ability to sense and also the ability to camouflage both sides.
Yeah.
The signals that would be emanating from the assets. Okay, that there's a powerful capability in that, particularly in the IR range, that is very unique.
That's nice, sir. So, sir, do you have any message you would like to give to your potential customers, visitors, or individual exploring your booth today?
Well, what we'd like you to do is to come and see what we do here, because what we do here represents the state of the art.
Yeah.
Okay, and I think there is a benchmark here that you can look at and see if there is a way for us to collaborate or be a supplier or a partner.
Yes. Definitely. So, sir, moving forward, at last, I hope you had the great experience today at Drone Expo in Bangaluru.
Yes,
In September, we are bringing it to New Delhi
yes,
with same aim and more opportunities. Would
Right.
you like to participate again?
oh, most certainly. We
Most-
will.
Definitely. Perfect, sir. Looking forward to meet you there.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so
All right.
much.